If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification to get more updates.
Hello viewers, this is Kuna here to present about a topic. It is about school. What we will do in our school? We will all learn, right? In learning, we have some dreams. Like we have to get A plus marks in all subjects. But only some may fulfill that and some may not fulfill that. Here, a author have written a book to fulfill all the dreams, to get A plus marks in all the subject. And the book name is How to Become a Straight A Student by Cal Newport. In this book, the author Cal Newport have given 17 steps to become a A student in your life. And the first step is time management. That is, manage your time 5 minutes a day. That is, here the author says that you have to manage your time in 5 minutes a day. That is, you have to mark every morning when you wake up. You have to mark in your calendar that is, what are the works that is left for today and tomorrow. And you have to schedule the timing when you are gonna do this work and when you are gonna do that work. If the work of today I have done in a particular time that you have marked before, then if you have more time, you can do tomorrow's work. And the second step is declare a war on procrastination. In this step, the author advises 4 suggestions that we have to eat healthy snacks while working, and we have to keep a work journal so we can remember what are the works that we have to do and what are the works we have completed by today. And the next thing is the author advises to choose our odd days. That is, we have to choose the days that we are working hard, and we have to be ready for that odd things that we are gonna do, and we can make the odd things into simple easy things. And the next step the author says in declare a war on procrastination is convert the horrible tasks into big events. And the next step is choose when, where and how long. Here the author advises us to choose when. In this choose when, the author advises us to choose early morning, because in early morning our brain will work fast and we can remember each and everything very clearly and detailedly. And the next is choose where. We have to choose a place where we can be isolated and no one is there to disturb you. And the next one, the choose how long is, we have to choose 1 hour and with a break. Without a break, we should not work for more than 1 hour. And the next step is take smart notes. That is, taking notes whenever your teacher starts your class. When your teacher starts your class, you have to start to taking notes. Then you can easily cover the sentences, the words that your teacher started. Then you can also easily remember the things that your teacher told you. And then you can also score A plus marks in your studies by revising these notes that you have taken. And the next step is demote your assignments. That is, splitting your assignments by step. That if your teacher have given 7 assignments and given you 7 days time, then you have to split like this: 1 day 1 assignment, and another day another assignment. So you will not have some stress and you can easily do the assignments. Here the author Cal Newport have told that if you do all the assignments on the same day, you can have more possibility to get day-to-day syndrome. And the next step is arrange or marshal your resources. Here the author says 3 ways. That is, the first one is we have to know what the test will cover, and the next one, we have to cluster our notes that for non-technical courses, and the next, we have to build a mega problem for technical courses. And the next step is conquer the material. Here the author Cal Newport have told 2 things. That is, we have to embrace the quiz and recall method, and the next one is we have to spread out the memorization for several days, so it will be in your mind. If it is a simple quiz, you can just recall the things what are the teachers have told you. If it is a big test like annual test, you have to remember all the things or memorize all the things every morning, that if happens this chemical reaction will happen, like that you have to remember all the things and memorize everything, so you can remember for more days. And the next step is invest in academic disaster management. That is, if you can't understand a thing by just reading, then you can mark it and you can ask your teacher. And we have to be ready for each and every question in your book, and you have to read every word from your book, and you have to memorize it, so you can answer every question that is given in your question paper. And the next step is provide A+ answers. That is, if a thing is given in your book, we have to make it, build it, and you have to make it as a perfect answer, and you have to improve it so you can get more marks than others. And also here the author tells us to arrange the questions in ascending order, so you will not get more difficulties in answer these questions. And the next step is target a titillating topic. That is, if you start learning, you have to start with a topic that is very interesting or the topic that you like the most. If you start with the topic that is very interesting or the topic that you like the most, then you can easily concentrate more on studies and you will not be distracted, and you can score more marks by learning more. And the next step is conduct a thesis hunting expedition. That is, here the author Cal Newport have told that we have to start with a small topic and we have to get more references and we have to make it as a thesis and we have to make as a big point, and then we have to get approved from the teacher. And the next step is seek a second option. That is, here you have to ask your teacher or professor about your thesis and your references. If the thesis is approved by your teacher, then you can use that. Here the author says that a thesis is not at all a thesis unless it is approved by a teacher. So if you are not approved by your teacher, then he or she will be giving you more ideas which you will be using in your exams, and you can score more marks. And the next one is research like a machine. Here the author gives you 3 steps to research like a machine. The first step is find sources. The second step is make a personal copy of the sources. And the third source is annotate the material. And if you think you are done, and keep it and submit to your teacher. If you think that you are not done, then go to the first step. And the next step of the book, How to Become a Straight A Student, is craft a powerful story. That is, if your teacher have taught you this thing, you have to keep it in your mind and compare it to another story that you know already. If you do like this and if you craft a powerful story, then you can remember all the things that your teacher have given you in your class very easily. And the next step is consult your expert panel, that is reviewing your friends. If you review your friends, you can get more ideas and thoughts from them which you can apply in your examination. Here, the author Cal Newport have told that the more people you review, the more important the paper. That is, if you review more people, the paper will become more important as you get more ideas and thoughts. And the next step is write without agony. That is, write without any sadness. If you write with sadness or emotions, you can miss out some points. So be happy and write your examination well. And the next step is fix, don't fixate. That is, a solid editing needs 3 careful passes. They are the argument adjustment pass, the out loud pass, and the sanity pass. The argument adjustment pass. In this pass, we have to adjust the argument that we have given. That is, we have to first check the grammatic errors and the spelling errors of the our argument pause. And the next one is the out loud pause. In this pause we have to read out the pause very loudly and carefully, and we have to check whether our explanations are clear and what we are coming to say is clear. And the last one is the sanity pause. In this pause is usually done with the printed copy of the paper. In this pause we have to check whether all the things are correct, and we have to submit to our teacher. And this is the book cover of the book How to Become a Straight A Student by Carl Newport. I will give this book's link in the description, so if you want you can buy this. And finally, thank you viewers for watching this video. Please subscribe to Internet Pasanga channel and please follow us on Instagram and Snapchat. Thank you viewers for watching.